Hi guys, it's your girl Nats and you're watching my vlog. So for today's video, we're gonna do one shot, one makeup challenge. And I'll be doing that with my best friend right here. Woo! Introduce yourself, please.
Hi everyone, my name is Christian So. You can follow my account in all platforms. KRISTIANNNSO, IG, Facebook, Twitter. Yeah, that's all.
Period. What we will be drinking is
Alfonso.
So guys, if you're hearing it, you know what it is. It's raining cats and dogs. And then, syempre, with the twist, we're gonna be asking questions to each and every one of us. Bakit?
Ganon.
Okay. And a one.
And a two.
And a
And
one,
a
two,
a three.
three.
Let's go. Nahilo ako.
Wala pa.
Wala pa ba? Okay,
This is my first. Okay. First question. Do you prefer looks or brain?
Brains. Kasi, hindi English ba?
Kung anong nasa
Sa
puso
puso
mo.
mo.
Yes.
Brains. Kasi yung looks naman, kaya mong i-improve. If you think you don't look good enough, pwede ka mag-workout, merong diet, especially now, ang dami ng ways sa internet. Pero kasi yung brain, oo, we learn every day. Pero kasi, minsan, may different, di ko ma-put into words, pero kasi people have different levels of their own perception.
Basta.
Kaya, basta, I prefer, a man with brains.
Same. Paano yung sinabi? Hindi na nag-explain.
Thank
Hindi,
you.
brains. Kasi, alam mo, napansin ko din sa akin. Totoo naman na eyes ang unang nagmamahal. Pero kasi kapag ka nakikilala ko na yung guy and he's not mentally stimulating me, mabilis ako ma-attract kapag ka may sense ka usapin nila. You don't have to be like bookworm smart. Kahit street smart ka lang or basta may sense ka kausap, you're like, shit, ganito kita tititigan mo. Ganon. Yung parang, alam mo yung nag-heart-heart yung mata ko. Yun. So, our second step will be
Mine is blush on.
minus brow.
Okay, so like shots and...
So, I'm sorry, that's blurred out. What's your question?
What is your worst memory of elementary school? Oh, ang dami
Worst?
nito. Oo. Ang dami nito.
Te, gawan mo ng paraan at hindi ako magpapakadalubhasa
Hindi ito kaya ko to.
para isalba ka.
Tsaka ano naman ako.
At hindi ako salbakuta. Well, I'm already healed with this. Because there was one person before na inisplok akong chika dito sa girl that I consider friend. Pero na-healed na ako dito, guys. So, ang eksena kasi nung tinatanong niya ako kung who's the person I hate sa classmates ko, sino yung crush ko, tas ganon. Tas parang
Pwede ba
kinabukasan
ako
nun-
maibulong kung sino?
So, ayun, ang nangyari, kinabukasan, after ko kinuwento lahat ng mga tinanong niya sa akin na para kaming nag-slam book kinemerut.
Kumaga, sinagot mo lamang yung question that has
Yes.
been
And I
asked.
trusted her. Kasi nga that time, parang feeling ko, hate is a very strong word for me. So parang, wala talaga yung ganun yung sagot ko. And then, nung may nabanggit na akong name, syempre hindi ko na ina-drop. Nung kinabukasan nun, Bading, nalaman ng buong sambayan ng
Sambay
Pilipino.
Sino bang
Uh-oh.
noon? Ah! Okay.
Siya lang ang sinagot ko kasi parang siya lang yung close to that but not really hate. Hate is a strong word, guys. So, yun. Yun lang yung worst memory ko ng elementary na after nun hindi na ako basta-basta nagtitiwala. Yun. But I'm healed with that, guys. We're okay na rin nung girl. Ganun. Tsaka bata pa kami. We're too young. So, yeah. And it's okay to make mistakes when you're young. How about you?
I think my worst memory when I was in elementary, actually graduate na. Kasi di ba pagka grade 6, after graduation, magka-exam na tayo sa lahat sa iba't ibang preferred school natin. So there's one time na may kailangan akong paper. So nakipag-usap ako sa isang teacher. Tapos sabi ko, Ma'am, kailangan ko po na, for example, is Form 137, kunwari lang, ha? So, ayun, sabi, sige, saan mo gagamitin? Ano tawag yun sa exam? Entrance exam. Mag-entrance exam po ako. Magta-try po ako sa ganitong school. Itong school na to is, kilala, kumaga, pagka nakapasok ka rito, matalino tong batang to, ganon. Diba? Okay. So, ayun. Tapos ang naging reaction niya, best, tingin ka sa akin. Ganito siya sa akin, during that time, kasi I was discouraged kasi siya yung teacher na nilulook up ng lahat. At ako rin personally, even my siblings, kasi naging teacher siya. Since then, syempre, medyo na-bounce ako sa kanya na parang nilulook up kita pero bakit ganyan ginawa
Bakit
mo?
mo ako hinusgahan?
Hinusgahan. Teachers, kasi I'm a child of a teacher. My mom is a teacher, elementary teacher.
Shout out Aradanya.
Tita.
Ulit.
Kita. Hindi okay na.
Shout out Tita Dan. If I love you.
Kasi hindi na nakikita.
Yes.
So yun, teacher should be the one who are encouraging the students to,
Do their best.
do their best. Kaya parang nung nangyari yun, okay. Hindi na ako nag-entrance exam rin sa So, di ba, the effect of your actions. It's okay, you are valid.
You are valid.
Pero seryoso, hindi ako nag-exam nun.
Dahil roon.
Dahil doon. Kasi, one action, guys. One action could hurt
A million
simple.
pesos.
A million person. People.
So yun sasabihin ko, kaya lang.
Bata yun lang naman. So, we must be very careful of our actions, especially our expressions.
Exactly.
Kasi,
Paano
bata
ang
yun
expression kapag nariyan ang kinaiinisan?
Ikaw.
Nonchalant.
Tulaling.
Yes.
Paano
Tas
pa? Ano pa ang
diba?
next na expression?
Pag nariyan si crush. Nakakasok lang.
Ikaw. Go. Hala!
Sinungaling.
Pagkakamali na natin. Okay. Cheers! Without chaser.
Matapang. Hypocrite. What secret trait do you wish that people know about you?
Ang dami.
So, secret trait that I wish people know about me, ayun, na I'm really an understanding person. So, kapag may mga tao kasing parang
Hiya ka na.
they tend not to tell it to me. Hindi lang sa love to I mean, kahit sa friendship. I could really read energy from miles away. So, minsan yung mga tao parang hindi na lang sasabihin sa akin kahit gets ko naman. Ganon. So, for example, ayaw nila ako isama. Ganyan. Tapos malalaman kong ayaw akong isama sa mga reasonings, ganyan. Diba, pag magtatanong ako na sino kasama mo? Kayo lang ba? Ganyan. Wala akong gagawin. Ganun, diba, sasabihin ko. Tapos parang, sabi nila, tapos
ino-offer mo na yung sarili mo.
Oo, magre-reason na sila ng, saglit lang din kasi kami, ganyan-ganyan. Go lang, carry lang. Ganyan. Parang ganon. And hindi lang sa ganong eksena yun, marami pa. Mabilis ako makakutob. Na, okay, go. And you don't have to tell it to me.
Kasi already know.
Yeah. I would know in your actions. From your actions. How about you?
I don't think this can be considered as straight, but I wish people know that I'm not really confident enough. That's why makeup. That's why thirst trap. That's why show up.
Yep.
Trying another style. Yun lang naman. So I don't know, but I wish people know that.
Yeah, I know that.
Kasi vocal naman ako sa mga trustworthy nating friendship.
Kalbo ka? Ay, ibang vocal pala.
Iba yun, vocal cords.
Yes.
So, ayun lang naman. So, a gentle reminder again to everyone who's watching this that your words can not just hurt a person. Naruruwan ang kanilang self-esteem, confidence. So, we must be very careful. Let's be kind. Kasi sabi mo nga kanina, kita ba, hate is a strong word. And there's so much hate in this world already.
Exactly.
So, let's just to be kind. Kunsua.
Sure.
Pero my question is, what's the one trait or personality you would like to change about yourself? Okay, cheers.
Ako, I'd like to change. Siguro, the pagiging magastos part. I'm guilty with that.
Discuss mo how magastos you are.
You know, for the gastos sa mga bagay na hindi naman importante, like nails, eyelash.
Importante yun kasi yun ang work mo.
But girl, you don't really have to. Kasi pwede ka naman mag-work ng hindi nakapilik mata. And sometimes, I always choose the expensive ones. Kahit pwede ka namang gumas ng hindi ganun kamahal. How about you?
I think, ang akin is, I always see good in people.
Kaya nata-take advantage ka.
Kasi ako, pag ginawan mo ako ng masama, ang makikita ko pa sa iyo yung magandang ginawa mo. Kaya sobrang dali ko magpatawad kahit the disrespect is already out.
Especially when the people who do that to you is the people you love the
Oh no.
most. Because how can you hate the person you love?
Blush! Blush
It's
again.
blush. Cheers muna. Okay. What realities or truths are you in denial about? You want me to
Yeah, you go first.
answer first? Whenever I say I don't need to be chosen, I'm in denial. Sometimes, I also want to be chosen. Basta, baka umiyak. Lahat naman gustong piliin ng taong gusto mo, diba? It's just that I believe that love is free. Hindi siya pino-force, hindi siya pinipilit. Ikaw?
I think accepting accountability. Kasi lahat tayo accountable sa mga action na ginagawa natin. Kasi minsan we started a thing, tapos iba na lang yung gumawa ng certain thing, iba na yung umaction kasi nga you were not able to do anything about it na. So those people that you love, parang nag-ano na sila. Itabi mo na, ako na.
Yeah.
Tapos, everything went fucked up. Yun nga, parang nawala na yung accountability sa sarili. Kasi sinisisi na lang sa mga tao. Sa mga taong akala ko ay sila yung may kasalanan, which is I started it.
Period.
Exclude lang.
Maghanap ka. Wag mo akong pag-isipin, te. Ako yung ano.
Ako yung aburido. Wag ngayon ganun.
Ayoko nang ano. I hate wasting my time. Shout. Sinisiraan ka ni Ian.
Wala nga siyang kaibigan.
Ito na nga.